Hi everybody, Dottie from Premium Websites and Ask Dottie. And today I just wanted to talk a little bit about domains. It seems to be something that a lot of my customers get confused on, and so I thought I'd just bring it up here. First of all, there's literally thousands of places that you can register a domain online. The key is, once you have your domain registered, is to make sure that you remember what company you registered that with. That sounds obvious, but there's a lot of people that don't. If I ask them where it's at, they have no idea. And here's the problem with that. Every year I get these from this company called Domain Listings. And it is trying to solicit my business to get me, or I should say to trick me into switching from wherever it's registered now to them. Here's the deal. They send one of these for every domain I have. It starts roughly 4 months before it expires. And my domains I have through GoDaddy. And for one, GoDaddy has never and will never physically mail me anything in the mail. They will send emails, but not physical mail. I pay roughly $20 a year for any domain that I own through GoDaddy. This company wants me to spend, if you can see that there, $228 per year for my domain that I can get through GoDaddy for $20 a year. So there's the reason why they're sending and trying to trick you into changing your domains. If you read the letter, it sounds like they already own the domain and that you just need to pay them to keep your domain going. The truth is, whatever company you purchased your domain through, you need to pay them to keep your domain going. I can't stress enough how important it is just to know what company that is. So that way, when these things come in the mail, and there's more than one company that does this, you can just throw them away. So all they are is garbage. But they do trick a lot of people into paying way more money for their domain than they need to. So if you're paying more than 20, 30 at the most per year per domain, then you would benefit from switching companies. Just saying that. The other thing that is really, really important that my clients, before they come to me, a lot of them have made this mistake, and that is they'll come to somebody like me who builds them a website. They'll go ahead and buy the domain for them. They'll make everything so super easy. They don't have to do anything. And true, it's easy and convenient to have somebody like me purchase a domain for you, especially if you're considered, or if you consider yourself technically challenged. You might like having somebody buy the domain for you. Here's the problem with that. If I buy it and I pay for it, even though you may pay me back for it, like I'll bill you, that type of thing, I own it. And so that's the problem. I won't do that for any of my customers. If you truly are technically challenged and you truly need help and you can't figure out how to buy your domain, then I will meet you somewhere, bring it up on my computer, create your account, and buy the domain in your account with your credit card number. That way you own it, not me. Because quite frankly, I have my own domains to worry about. I don't want to worry about missing a payment on one and your website goes away. That's happened a lot. In fact, I have picked up clients who come to me and their website's just gone. It's like, okay, did you pay your bill? Well, my designer was paying my bill. I was just paying them. And they're no longer in business. You can't get a hold of them, whatever it is. So make sure you own your domain, because that is your business online. And make sure you're not falling for the tricks of sneaky companies that try to trick you into paying way more money for your domain than you did previous years. So anyway, this is Dottie with Premium Websites, and Ask Dottie, and have an awesome day.